that's the benefit of resistance-based goals rather than an arbitrary number on the scale, because that can fluctuate for a dozen reasons, probably more, you know.
I think we should touch on that for anybody who is listening. So when you weigh yourself, the scales will tell you a number for how much your body physically weighs. This can fluctuate for any number of reasons. The time of day, what you ate last night, what you ate that day, your hydration levels, your stress levels, your muscle soreness. For women, the time in your menstrual cycle. There's so many factors. It's such a variable thing. When I very rarely promote using the scales to my clients. When I do, it's only to get that initial calorie target. I always tell my clients, when you weigh yourself, try and eliminate the variables. So pick a time of the day. So morning's always better before any variables
before
are
breakfast.
kicked in.
Yeah.
Before breakfast, after you've been to the toilet for business, always use the same scales. So many different scales can give different answers.
On the same surface as well. Yeah.
On the same surface as well. Don't use carpet or anything, because that changes over time.
So after this podcast, I decided to do a little experiment and get weighed at regular intervals over a 24-hour period. So you can see here, 7:30 in the morning, wearing just boxer shorts, got weighed, and then weighed myself directly after breakfast, and the weight's gone up a tiny little bit. A couple hours later, after working out, got weighed again, completely different reading. So three times within 4 hours, completely different readings. Gotten weighed after dinner, and obviously the weight's gone up there, as you can see. So just one meal makes a big difference to your actual weight. And then a couple of hours later, you can see the weight starting to come back down again. Last thing at night after tea, got weighed again for the last time that day, and it's at the lowest point so far. And then the next morning, 7:30 again, still just wearing the same outfits, just a pair of boxer shorts, much lower weight. So 7 different readings over 24 hours. Weight loss and weight gain are never a linear scale anyway, but this graph just goes to show how much your weight can vary over the course of 24 hours. Bear in mind, that is just one day, and that's one surface, one outfit, no variables. As we mentioned in the podcast, you want to get weighed on one set of scales only, and on a hard surface like laminate floor or tiles, because as you can see from these clips, getting weighed on carpet gives completely different readings. So just goes to show that, using the scales as a tool can be okay, but you need to be mindful of the variables. As we mentioned, stress levels, hydration levels, etc. can all play a massive role. So don't take what the scale says as gospel. You take it with a pinch of salt, and hopefully this video is useful to those people who are tied to the scales.